Okay, today we're gonna build this wall. Just got back from breakfast. We only have a short time before we have to go back to Centralia to meet Vivian's new doctor. So this wall is gonna get built, and we're gonna build it with a big window in this area here. So all I can say is, let's get at her. Huh, Roy?
You bet.
First 2x4 we put in, we have to slide it underneath that wall that's already been finished. That way we can tie that wall with our new wall and tie the flooring together all together. Above, I need to cut off the nails because they're in the way, so we can't add our 2x4s without running into them. So I'm taking the saw and cutting those nails off. First we're going to build our corner, and yes, it's a little bit low there it's actually a little bit high there according to the other side, but all the 2x4s are going to be the same length because we know the ceiling has fallen a little bit. Now we're getting the header up and working our way down. we are getting the sheeting on, but we're also putting the T111 back on also, because if we didn't, we'd have to strip everything off the house, and who knows what's underneath some of that. As far as I'm concerned, this is an added bonus for insulation. Before we ran the sheeting all the way down, we need to get the vents in, otherwise it might be a little difficult.
Okay, we're done for the day. We only had a few hours to work today, and now we're off to go see Vivian's new doctor. But you can see we still have this sheet of old T111 to hang up in there. We can get our window put in after that, and we need trim and whatnot along the bottom before we even think about siding. But we're not going to do siding right away. We're either going to work over there to where the deck is, or we're going to work over there and put siding on that side of the house because we're done jacking over here. So anyway, like my dad used to say, hide and watch. Until later.